Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're in the kitchen and we're here to help you decide which cookie sheets to buy today. As always, don't worry about taking any notes. All the links for the products we mentioned are in the description down below. Baking your favorite cookies always starts with choosing the best cookie sheet. Good cookie sheets allow even heat distribution and extended performance. These sheets also provide effortless releasing of the cookies to avoid breaking them. To achieve the best cookie baking experience, our team has compiled a list of the top 5 cookie sheets available for you today. The team has prepared this list for you through comprehensive research. The cookie sheets that have been selected have been chosen based on product features, review in the marketplace, quality of finish and price. And where possible, we have been mindful of the different types of buyers. We do suggest you stick around until the end to see who wins the #1 position on our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the kitchen, especially if you're interested in more informational, list-related content just like this one. Remember, you can find the options to our list in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. The cookie sheet coming in at number 5 on our list is the NutriChef Nonstick Cookie Sheet Baking Pans. This stain-resistant baking sheet is engineered with carbon steel metal alloy, making it durable and long-lasting. The set comes in 2 pieces that have an attractive non-stick metallic coating that ensures quick and effortless cookie release without the need for excess butter or oil or cooking sprays. The baking sheet may be specifically designed for cookies, but our team at In the Kitchen found it to have the capability to bake other dishes such as cakes, bread, brownies, lasagna, and the like. Our team also tested its compatibility with kitchen ovens, countertop convection ovens, and toaster ovens, which was able to deliver with good baking results. Its heavyweight carbon steel is rust-proof, extremely durable, and allows fast and even heat distribution for uniform cookie browning. This quality also makes it oven safe for up to 445 degrees Fahrenheit, while it will never warp or bend out of shape when exposed to extreme heat. Its composition is also free of any toxic ingredients, giving you the ultimate peace of mind whenever you are eating the baked treats. The sheet is dishwasher safe, saving you the need to hand wash it. When washed by hand, however, our team at In the Kitchen found cleaning it very easy because of the non-stick qualities. Despite its affordable price, our team at In the Kitchen finds this product easy to use and use it, yet extremely durable and long-lasting due to its high-quality materials. It is a great choice for beginners or experienced bakers who would like a simple yet reliable addition to the kitchen. This grants it a spot on our top 5 list. The cookie sheet coming in at number 4 on our list is the Cuisine Store Professional Half-Sheet Baking Pan. This ultra-durable baking pan is designed with premium aluminium for an excellent baking experience. Our team would like to highlight its high-quality material, making it food-safe, oven-safe, and non-toxic, a perfect choice for the family. It has a specialized 1.3-inch high reinforced steel rim to prevent it from warping under the high temperature, while its height prevents grease from spilling. Our team recommends hand washing it whenever possible for optimal maintenance. If the sheet is to be washed in the dishwasher, discoloration may sometimes occur. However, this will never compromise its baking properties and performance. Not only can this be used as a cookie sheet, but it can also be used as a roasting pan for roasted chicken and cooking tray for steak. Our team at In the Kitchen considers this baking pan an item that is built to last. It is designed to never rust because of the Cuisine's priority of using top-grade aluminium in the production of their baking pans. The sheet is also extremely durable, giving it the ability to take on all of your kitchen requirements. Each set comes with 2 half-set pans and a free bonus recipe book with over 100 delicious recipes. Overall, our team at In the Kitchen considers its solid durability as its strongest selling point, whilst also having the ability to bake other dishes aside from cookies. It is extremely long-lasting due to its good quality of materials, and its affordable price makes it worthwhile investment, earning our top spot on our top 5 list. The cookie sheet coming in at number 3 on our list is the USA Pan Bakeware Cookie Sheet. This large cookie sheet comes with a raised edge for a secure and easy grip. It is composed of commercial grade and heavy gauge aluminium steel that allows for even heat distribution, superior heat conduction, and maximum service life. It also features a non-stick Americoat coating. This property is a patented silicone coating that allowed our team to quickly release the baked goods. In addition, the said coating is PTFE, PFOA, and BPA free, making it non-toxic and safe for the family. The baking sheet features unique corrugated surfaces engineered to strengthen its non-stick properties and add extra durability to the pan for extreme warp and resistance. Its high-performance design is ideal for increased airflow, which provided our team with evenly baked and golden brown cookies. Because of its remarkable capability to conduct heat efficiently, our team was able to reduce the time and temperature when necessary, making the overall baking process faster. In addition, the pan can withstand heat of up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. For proper maintenance, our team suggests only using silicone, nylon, or wooden utensils to release the baked goods. In addition, we highly suggest silicone baking mats or aluminium foil instead of cooking oil. Our team does not recommend placing it in the dishwasher, however, hand washing it was extremely easy to do as the residue just slides right off. We advise simply washing it with hot water, mild soap, and a gentle scrub brush or sponge. At the time of making this video, our team at In the Kitchen would like to highlight USA Pan's limited lifetime warranty, which shows good after-sales customer service on their part. Its high-quality material makes it durable, while its features provide good airflow, even heat distribution, and great performance. It is also quite big, a perfect choice for medium to large families or groups, making it a worthwhile purchase. The cookie sheet coming in at number 2 on our list is the Nordic Ware's Baker's Big Baking Sheet. This baking sheet is made of durable, pure, uncoated natural aluminium. This quality makes the baking sheet rust-proof, scratch-resistant, and long-lasting. It is versatile and can bake a wide variety of dishes. Our team at In the Kitchen would like to highlight its extra-large capacity that holds a lot more food than the standard baking sheet. This gave us the opportunity to bake more in each batch. Because of the aluminium's superior heat conductivity, we were able to bake evenly, which gave us a great overall cooking experience. In addition, its non-porous aluminium qualities provided it with a non-stick performance, allowing us to easily release the cookies without breaking them. It also features reinforced encapsulated solid core steel rims, which add to its strength and warp-resistant capabilities. Our team commends its versatility because of the capability with the parchment paper, silicone baking mats, cooking oil, butter, and also shortening, and flour methods. We highly discourage the use of acidic ingredients, for they may darken, pit, or corrode the pan after prolonged use. Our team found it very easy to clean, however, we highly recommend hand washing it for proper maintenance. Our team recommends releasing the baked goods with nylon or silicone utensils. Metal tools or scoring pads may scratch the natural aluminium pans, but it won't affect the overall baking performance. Despite its relatively high price, we at In the Kitchen believe it is a great purchase due to its large size, scratch-resistant qualities, durability, and versatility. Because of these features, we consider this a professional-grade pan that earns a well-deserved spot on our list. And finally, we come to the number 1 cookie sheet on our list, the GoodCook Steel Non-Stick Bakeware. This cookie sheet comes in a set of 3, with small, medium, and large size to provide you with the perfect option for your baking needs. The pan is made with heavy-duty gorged steel for even heat distribution during the baking process, which also provided increased warp resistance. The baking sheet features a top-quality scratch-resistant and non-stick coating that allowed our team to clean the pan without the use of a scrubbing pad and maintaining its brand new look. Its scratch-resistant properties also made it metal spatula safe. It was very easy for our team to release and slide the cookies right off the tray, providing us with a very convenient baking experience. In addition, its non-stick coating is PFOA-free, making it completely safe for normal home cooking. In addition, the set also comes with a durable tray which allows you to continuously use the non-stick set, making it look brand new each and every time. Our team at In the Kitchen highly recommends these pans to all beginner and expert level bakers because of the fact that these pans are specifically designed for enduring everyday use. In addition, it also performs well, providing us with evenly baked cookies every time. It is versatile and very convenient to have in the kitchen because of its 3 sizes. In addition, our team concluded that its durable tray does its job well of preserving the pan's surface. Given all its features, inclusions, and ability to bake remarkably well, we have decided to put it in the number 1 spot on our list. And there you have it, folks, the 5 cookie sheets that got our team in the kitchen excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next cookie sheet roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below, and we will be sure to take a look over it for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you in the kitchen again soon.